बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अव्वल अल्लाह अलीम आला आलम जो धनी कादिर पांजी कुदरत सी कायम आए कदीम वाली वाहिद वादहू राज़िक रहीम सो सारा सचो धनी जय हमद हकीम करे पान करीम जुड़ जुड़ जहाँ जूं। Honorable Justice Shamsuddin Abbasi Sahab, my brother, and Justice Jawad Sarwana Sahab, Justice Riyazat Ali Sahad Sahab, my source of inspiration, Justice Rabbani Sahab, Justice Abdul Rasul Memon Sahab, my brother, my colleague, Nisar Durrani Sahab, Member Election Commission of Pakistan, Ishaq Lohar Sahab, President High Court Bar Association, Israr Chand Sahab, General Secretary High Court Bar Association, Hyderabad, Ashar Khokar Sahab, President District Bar Association, Hyderabad, and Babar Rasul Memon Sahab, General Secretary, District Bar Association, Hyderabad. My brother, my friend, my colleague in Sin Law College, Ayaz Lateef Padige Sahab, Senior Advocate, Irfan Bugio Sahab, Member Sindh Bar Council, Ayaz Tunio Sahab, Member Sindh Bar Council, Imdad Ali Unnar Sahab, Senior Lawyer, Mr. Almani Sahab, Javed Bukhari Sahab, my sisters, among them Ms. Durrana Sahiba Sahab, Principal Jinnah Law College Sahab, distinguished organizer, including Saima Aga Sahiba, Patron-in-Chief, respected advocates, learned members of the faculty, participants, dear students, Assalamu alaikum and good evening. I am delighted to be here with you today on this remarkable occasion, the Millennial Council's first bilingual mood competition 2025. The organizers deserve heartfelt appreciation for this commendable initiative, which not only promotes legal learning but also encourages the spirit of healthy competition among our future lawyers. A moot court competition is far more than an academic exercise. It is a platform where theory meets practice, where students transform legal knowledge into courtroom advocacy, and where intellect, research, and eloquence merge to form the art of persuasion. It prepares young minds to confront the challenges of real litigation, to reason with clarity, and to argue with integrity and respect. The theme of this competition, Criminal Law of Pakistan, makes the event especially meaningful. Criminal law is not merely about punishment. It is about criminal justice, which is based on punishment system for retribution, deterrence, and reforming the guilty. ensuring that rights are protected, wrongs are addressed, and society is governed by fairness and the rule of law. In a society where justice is often tested by pressure, prejudices, and power, it becomes the solemn duty of every legal professional to uphold truth without fear and favor. The bilingual nature of this competition is also admirable. It recognizes that the strength of our legal system lies in our official language, English, in our national language, Urdu, and our regional languages like Sindhi. By mastering these languages, you are bridging the gap between legal institutions and the common citizen, thereby making justice more accessible, understandable, and equitable. To the participants, I would say that each of you is a winner for having taken up this challenge. The hours you spent researching case law, drafting memorials, and rehearsing arguments will serve you for a lifetime. Whether you win or lose today, remember that every argument you make with honesty and conviction strengthens the foundation of your professional career. To the faculty and mentors, I would emphasize that your guidance is shaping the future of our legal fraternity. And to the Millennial Council, I extend my heartfelt congratulations for organizing an event that fosters both intellectual disciplines and ethical commitment, which are indispensable qualities to pursuit of justice. Dear young advocates and law students, as you progress in your legal journey, remember that knowledge alone does not make a good lawyer. Character does. The law grants great power, but power without ethics leads to injustice. Let your education sharpen both your intellect and your moral compass. Integrity, honesty, and humility are the hallmarks of a true advocate. And your word must always be your bond. As officers of the court, you bear the sacrosanct responsibility to uphold truth, serve justice, and protect the vulnerable. Every case, every argument, and every client you represent will test your principles. So remain steadfast, committed, faithful, and honest in your profession and character. Here I feel it pertinent to say that no nation can rise to the height of justice unless its youth uphold the truth and its lawyers defend the law with courage and conscience. In conclusion, I urge all young law students to view law not merely as a profession, but as a sacred trust to serve humanity and to uphold the dignity of justice in all circumstances. As you step forward into your career, may you carry with you the ideals of fairness, compassion, and courage. May Allah Almighty guide us all to perform our duties with honesty, wisdom, and humanity.